hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Ritu and you're watching Ritu's Rainbow World. Now it's been a long time that I am filming the video, like the real video, because now mostly it was makeup tutorial and the vlogs that is coming. I think that have already uploaded before this, but I think this is a long time that I'm sitting and reviewing some products. So I received some products from one of the person who has a Facebook, who does a Facebook live. So I did receive jewelry for the first time from her. Yes, it is not again promotion, it is a paid video. So this is something that I have purchased from my own money, and then I am reviewing it. And I purchased from Shrujita, who is also a person who usually does live at this point of time. I'm filming this video at probably 12:15 at the night. So my shift usually ends at 11:30. And then I am sitting filming the video because this has been pending for a very long time and I don't want to keep it pending. Finally, I think those who are following me on Instagram, they already know that I have recently come from a staycation. So that vlog will go very soon. So everything, the skin and everything is pretty much tanned. So I am actually sitting with this all tanned, like I have to do the cleanup and everything. So I am kind of sitting with all those things which I will be doing after this video. I'm not sure I'll be filming or not. My nails are completely chapped, so I need to fix this as well. So please ignore the nail color. So I'm just going to show the jewelries that I've purchased from her. Now this will also go in a giveaway. So very soon the giveaway jewelry haul will also be there. I think this will be a giveaway, kind of giveaway number 2 on my channel. So I think now lockdown and everything is quite relaxed. Yes, it is quite relaxed. It's been like 2 or 3 weeks it has been relaxed. So this will be a giveaway. So those who are watching, those who are really fond of oxidized jewelry and some funky jewelry, then definitely can take part in this. So this and I think the next video, both will be kind of a giveaway. So definitely you can participate. All the rules will be in the description box. I will not make a separate video of it. If in Instagram there is another thing that I will make, that is a different thing that I can make. But without further ado, let's just quickly get into the video. And if this video was a little helpful and you will get to know the things better, then please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Both the handles will be in the description box. So first thing first, this is a jewelry from Shrujita, and I will give the link of her Facebook in the description box, so that if there is anything else, then you can definitely go ahead and purchase that from her. She does live, or probably you can contact through WhatsApp, and you can definitely order the jewelries and anything that you want. So the first funky jewelry that I will be showing is this beautifully. This is not oxidized, but this is completely made of a fabric kind of thing, but it looks very pretty. It is super lightweight. So I'm just going to show you how the jewelry looks like. It somewhere looks like this. This is very pretty. So I will make this as a backdrop. And this is what the jewelry is. It's very pretty. It's supremely lightweight, and I will wear them and I will show you how it actually looks. So I didn't have any earrings, so I'm just going to show you how it actually looks. So that's how it looks like. It's very pretty, guys. I will keep it a little closer. So it somewhere looks like this. It's very pretty, very lightweight, and it's very funky as well. So yes, this is the first jewelry, and it will look good in, I think, western top or Indo-western top. So it will look good in both the outfits. You can definitely go ahead and wear this. I will not be mentioning the price of this. They are very affordable, because this is again a giveaway video. So I will not be mentioning the price. So you can definitely read all the rules in the description box and definitely win a chance for the giveaway. The rules will be very simple. I will also let you know at the end of the video. So once again, I'm just gonna show you this earring. Super lightweight but very funky. It's really cute. I really love this. And this is something which is very close to my heart, but again, this will go for a giveaway because I have so many jewelries that there are a lot I didn't even wear it. So yes, this is the first one. The second thing is a beautiful hoops. So this is something which is not very lightweight. It is pretty heavy. This is what the hoop is like. It's a kind of sequence work, and I will show you individually how it looks like. This is what it is. It's a very beautiful hoop, and it's not very light. It's medium. I cannot say it is light, but it is pretty medium, but looks very nice. I think this you can carry it with patiala. You can carry this with kurti as well. So it is very good. And at the back, you have to lock it this way. It is so good. There is a system. You have to bring it like this, and then you have to put it back. So you have to be very careful, or it might slip in, like the way it slipped from my ears. So this is how it looks like, and I absolutely love this hoop. Not very light, but again very average weight, and it's really in a very good quality. So I don't know what to call this, but this is a beautiful sequence crystal. Yeah, that's thing I remember. So this is the next one. It's very beautiful, guys. Second thing is a small hoop kind of top. So it somewhere looks like this. It's very small, a kind of rose, and then a pearl to it. I'm just gonna wear this. Okay, one more thing in giveaway that I want to announce. The last time in the giveaway, I see a lot of fake profiles which is coming in. I would give a very big shout out to one of the person, Tanu Mahajan. I don't know how many fake profiles she has. Please do not log in from any fake profile and claim your giveaway. You will be directly disqualified. To be honest, you will be directly disqualified. And if you are referred from the fake profile, it's a very big blacklist. You will be completely blacklisted from the channel. So this is the next thing, which is a beautiful rose kind of thing and a beautiful pearl to it. So this is again very pretty. So this is also something that is going in a giveaway. This probably teenagers can easily wear this, and I think with tops also it goes very easy. The next thing is also a giveaway. It's a beautiful studded oxidized earrings. It is very pretty. This is what the earring is. It looks very gorgeous and very pretty. I'm just gonna show how it looks. So this is a kind of stud. So this is a beautiful stud. Looks supremely gorgeous. I think this will look good if you put all your hairs back and then you wear it. Will look very pretty. So that is something which is third or fourth, keep on counting. It looks very pretty. If you really wanted to see a very close pic of it, I will definitely give you. Next thing that I got is a beautiful Tibetan neck piece. So this is what the Tibetan neck piece is. It looks pretty in Indo-Western or the Western outfit. When it goes, it looks so pretty. Honestly, you can carry this with kurti, with Western and all other stuffs. It completely depends on how you want to carry this. So this is my personal favorite. Now this time I will not be revealing that who is gonna get the first person who wins will get what or what not, but this time I will not be revealing this. to be very honest, I do not want any fake IDs to be claiming for the giveaway. That's something which I will not. You will be completely blacklisted from my YouTube channel or my any public handle, Instagram or anything or anything. If whether it be Twitter as well, you will be completely blocked. First thing. Second thing, the rules, you have to stick by the rules, and if you want to find any loopholes into it, don't do it. If I really find doing it, if I really get any reference, to be honest, I will also be letting other YouTubers know that this is happening, and this time I'm not going to spare. There is a person in my first giveaway, Tanu Mahajan. She was so irritated. She was so irritated. I can't tell you. I have to block her. There are so many fake IDs who wanted to speak about her. I have to block them as well. So please don't do all this nonsense. This is a giveaway, just a token of love for all the people who follow my channel and who really love me. Not for the subscribers, not for the views and all the things. Please don't get into all these things. At least in my channel, I'm not at all interested. What I want is you watch it, you share it, that's it. So rules will be very simple. You have to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, definitely that comes on rule number 1. My Instagram handle will be there. Please follow me, the Instagram handle. That's the second rule. Third, I have a cooking vlog channel where you will get some interesting recipes in 15 or 20 minutes. It will not be something which is time consuming. I think now we are in quarantine. You can sit down at home and you can definitely surprise your parents or your loved ones with the recipe. So you have to subscribe to that channel. That's a very simple giveaway. If there is anything else, I will definitely link in the description box. The purchase of these jewelries, I will definitely link in the description box. You can go ahead and get an order for your jewelry from the Facebook. So that is something that I'm gonna do it. That's pretty much for today's video. Hope the jewelry pieces and everything that I have shown you liked it, and if you really like it, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if the video was really helpful, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, and I will definitely see you in the next video. There will be back to back one more video for jewelry haul, but this will be like a kundan set, something related. It's a different kind of a jewelry, so I will be filming back to back. So if you really like my jewelry haul or which haul you like my most, please comment down in the description box, and if there is any suggestion for the next video, please ping it down in the description box. I will definitely come up with that video. Okay, so this somewhere looks like this. It's a very beautiful. Can be paired up with anything. The thing is, you need to carry this. The next one is this beautiful one. I don't know what it is called as, but this is what it is. And the first thing that I showed you is this pretty thing. This is my favorite Tibetan set. It is very pretty. I can't tell you how pretty this is. So this is again something that will go in giveaway with all my hearts. I really love this piece, but again I will definitely put it for a giveaway if somebody qualifies for that. The next neck piece that I have is this neck piece. No, sorry, it's an earring. It's a very pretty kind of a top. Very amazing quality. The quality is something that you can see at the back. So this is also something which is going in giveaway. Rest everything I have shown you, I just unboxed, and all this will go in giveaway.